In today's video, I will teach you how to generate action figure style portraits using AI. Let's get started. Whether you're making content for social media, designing a gamer profile picture, or just having fun, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process from upload to download with tips included. To start the process, open your browser and go to Photos AI Artifacts. Here, you'll be able to generate portraits in a wide variety of styles, including the action figure look. Now, click the upload image or drag and drop your image into the upload box. The uploaded image will appear in the center of the editor. For best results, make sure to use a clear front-facing photo and choose well-lit images with minimal background clutter, and ensure your face and shoulders are visible for best AI recognition. Now look at the left-hand panel of the editor where you'll find different artifact categories. Now scroll until you find the action figure section. And you'll see multiple style presets under this category. So click on any style to instantly preview how your uploaded photo looks in that action figure art style. And it will take around 10 seconds to generate. After generation, you can preview your portrait in full. Simply click the compare button at the bottom right corner to slide between the before and after versions of your image. You can use this to decide if the selected style matches the action figure aesthetic that you have in mind. If you're not quite happy with the first result, you can click the regenerate button on the selected style's thumbnail, and Photor will create a new variation with a slightly different interpretation. And you can regenerate multiple times until you're satisfied with the look. If you want something different, just click another effect in the action figures section to try out a new theme. And once you're happy with the generated image, click the download button at the top right corner of the screen, and you can choose your file format and save the image to your device. Creating action figure portraits with AI is a fun and futuristic way to bring your photos to life, and it's surprisingly easy. Whether you're designing a unique profile picture or just curious to see yourself as a collectible toy figure, Photos AI Artifacts makes it fast and beginner-friendly. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.